Well, thanks for joining me here. Kind of late in the afternoon, but go head out here, get my dogs out for a while, go for a little bird hunt. There's some grouse out here that I've been playing cat and mouse with. See if we can't put those up and get one in the bag. It's gonna be a short hunt. I got some projects back home I'm working on. One of them is picked up steelhead fillet. Got that sitting in some brine right now. Fixed that up this morning. Go smoke that up here later tonight and give that out for some Christmas presents. But anyway, I don't know, I'm not driving out there in my usual spot. I'm gonna park here where it's solid. Then we got I guess call it the Pineapple Express jet stream coming up from the south. Very warm, it's like 50 degrees. It should be about 20 right now in snow, but it's not. I don't know, looks like I might have to put my rain pants on too. It's threatening the rain. It is raining a little bit. Wind's blowing pretty hard. Well, let's get geared up here and go on this little bird hunt here. I think I'll just park it in right here. I'm gonna go drive out there in the mud. Last time I did that, I got the truck pretty well mudded up. Anyway, come along with me if you'd like. Be another adventure, I'm sure. I'm gonna go head back to town and get my smoked fish going. Hit that sub button. Give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Let's get on with this. Well, the old grouse, and here where I thought he was gonna be. But dogs did their job, but all I got is empty shell casings. Dag blabbit. We should have had that guy, shouldn't we? We should have had him in the bag. Oh well. Yeah, we should have had him, right? You guys did a good job. Alright, well, let's go see if we can figure out where he went. Maybe we won't miss the second time. Alright. Well, phooey. I think I usually go down here and cross this creek and hunt the other side. But I think I'll make a loop back around, see if we can't run into that grouse again. Maybe he'll give us a second chance. You don't know. I think we'll let him settle down here for a little bit, yeah. Then we'll head back and see if we can't get him up again. Anyway, that's what the plan is. The grouse gave us a slip. Got wise to us, didn't he? Yeah, we're just head on out of here. Got a good hike, didn't we? We have a good hike? Huh? Well, no birds today. They got the better of me. I do have some double dog dare wine. Go have a little bit of that. some cashews. And go ahead back home. Get that steelhead fillet I've been telling you about. Get it in the smoker. Get that cooking tonight. Probably make some jerky tonight too. But anyway, smoked fish is always good. Long time ago, I was in college working in Alaska. And I come back down here to the States. Before I came down, I'd usually be later part of August, 1st September, somewhere in there. Coho would be running up all the streams there in Alaska. And I'd go catch a boatload of them things. Smoke them up. Bring them down here with me. Bring a whole bag of smoked coho salmon. Yeah, I used to hit the pubs and trade that smoked salmon for beer. Yeah, that was a long time ago. Anyway, let's head on and get that salmon in the smoker. Or steelhead, I guess. It's a steelhead. Okay, we're back home. Go get my steelhead fillets here. Ready to go in the smoker. So I've had them soaking in this brine for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. And then take them out of the brine and just put them on the rack here and let them dry for a little bit. But this brine is a pretty simple brine. It's just about a quart of water, some kosher salt. Let's see, how much did I put in there? About a 1/3 cup of kosher salt, and just a cup of brown sugar. And I got some spices I put in there. Not very much. So, but anyway, that's been soaking for a while. I'm just going to take them out here and put them on the rack and just let them dry here for a little bit before I put them in the smoker. Well, that looks like that's going to be pretty tasty. All right, so we're just gonna let those dry. I don't know, an hour, maybe 2 hours, and put them in the master-built smoker, and let them cook for, I don't know. Usually takes a couple hours till the internal temperature gets to around 130, 140, somewhere in there. Put it on low, just let it cook away. Meanwhile, clean this up, throw that away, and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, it's getting a little late. Trying to finish off these steelhead fillets here. I'll go check temperature of them here. I'm also putting a glaze of pecan syrup on top of them to finish them off with. They should be delicious. But let's check the temperature here and then baste them with this syrup mixture I got here. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see those, but they're looking good in there. Let's check the temperature. Oh, they're close. They're really close. Let's pull those out and give them a little coating of maple syrup. And let those cook for just a little bit longer. Man, look at those things. Those things look really good. coat them down here just a little bit to finish them off. All right, let's let those things cook for just a little bit longer, get them finished off, and we'll let them cool off and bag them up. All right, well, I think that's all for the day. So anyway, make sure you smash that subscribe button and come along with me on adventures. It's been a busy day today. I don't know, it's about midnight or so getting these things finished off. So I'm going to give them about 30 minutes to get them finished off and take them out and let them just cool, and I think I'm going to go to bed. Later.